Can you get dual apps on your iPhone? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you are wondering if you can get dual apps on your iPhone, then if you want to download it from your App Store, then the answer is simply no, as App Store only allows you to download one particular app for one app. So in order to get dual app, you will need to open your preferred browser and use the web version of the other app. So for instance, I have the Claude application in here, but if I want the dual app for Claude, I will open my preferred browser and in the search bar, search for the app that you want to duplicate and open the web version of that particular app. Once you have opened the web version of that particular app, for me, I have opened the web version of Claude. Now, tap on the share icon on the bottom center of your screen and here you will see the option for add to home screen. So tap on the add to home screen option and then rename the app name just as it is, and then tap on the add option on the top right of your screen again. And now, as you can see, I now have two apps for Claude. One is the app version and the other is the web version. So this was about if you can get dual apps on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.